Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a chain loop video. It's going to be complicated. We are using the products by Motul. We are using a Motul chain paste. So let's go directly to the video guys. Hope you guys enjoy. We are removing the mud flaps by a chain cover. It's for cleaning the cover as well as the chains for better accessibility. And guys, we are going to remove the back disc brake fluid line, which is a simple lock system. We have to remove the entire mud flap by pushing the slide lock mechanism, and it completely comes off. Then we have to remove the front inner sprocket cover, which is just having two balls. We have to remove. After removing the cover, you can see that it is entirely covered by dirt, guys. This is a situation in every bike. I am for sure that my bike has run around 15k kilometers. And guys, inside the inner sprocket and also the entire chain is covered in dust particles, sand and dirt. Guys, in order to easily remove the entire grid and dirt, I am going to spray it with diesel. Diesel is a quick solvent of this material, so I am using diesel for the first time. Then after that only I am going to use the Motul chain cleaner. Guys, I am also using physical force. I am using a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, to remove the dirt particles by brute force. As you can see, it is the dirt is there. Then guys, I am using this product which is available in Amazon. It is a chain cleaner brush which is available readily on Amazon. And guys, again I am using the diesel spray to cover the inner sprocket cover, and just leave it for 15 minutes for the diesel to soak up easily. After that, agitate the entire dirt by whatever means necessary, and after that clean it. Or you can get, if you have a pressure washer, you can use a pressure washer also, but do not use a pressure washer on the chains. Use diesel spray to remove any unmoved particles and also physical force, and by using cloth. I'm covering a screwdriver with a cloth and physically removing the dirt from inner sprocket area. Try to avoid using pressure washer as it might damage the O-rings on your chains. Then I am removing we are going to remove the SWINGARM chain rest slider protector rubber, which prevents friction between the swing arm and the chain. It's also covered in dirt, guys, so we need to clean it also. It's a piece of rubber. I think around 20,000 kilometers we have to remove it, change it to a new part. Then we are going to use the Motul chain cleaner spray on the inner sprocket. Guys, try to avoid using chain cleaner while the vehicle is running. Since I'm shooting this entire video and doing it, that's why I chose to run the vehicle. Try to avoid it. Try to gently do it by spinning the tire. We have to spray the vehicle with cleaner, and then we are using the chain cleaner brush to agitate the dirt. Guys, this brush is very useful. I have used it many a times, and easily agitates and remove the entire dirt from the chain. Also guys, after that, using the Motul chain cleaner spray, spray it on the chain and then agitate with the brush at the same time. All this can be done with the help of your friend. Try to not using the pressure washer or any other steam washer on the chains. Then guys, we are removing the body panel on the left side to get easy access to the chain slider rubber protector. So that area also we are cleaning using an old cloth. After cleaning the entire surface and prepping it for installation, guys, we are going to install the chain slider protector. Guys, installing the SWINGARM chain slide protector rubber is little bit tricky. Try to get the upper edge of the rubber piece inside the chain first, then push it inside the SWINGARM. It will be easy doing that way. On other bikes it is different, guys. Try using the chain cleaner just before where the outer sprocket starts. By doing so, it helps to remove the entire dirt very easily. As the chain is rotating backwards, it will remove the entire dirt particles and also the diesel and whatever stuff which we have used. After most of the dirt is removed by the mechanical brute force, we can use a cloth or simple cloth or any cloth which is almost clean. We can use it to remove the entire dirt on the surface of the chain. Using the chain, while using the cloth, we should not the engine should not be running and we should not rev it at all. It is for your own protection, and many times our fingers just cut through the chain and all. So try using a gloves, and and just don't run the engine while doing so. Be careful guys, it's really important. Also clean out the outer sprocket and also the inner sprocket inside. You can see I'm trying to access behind the inner sprocket, and also clean that. Both the sides are thoroughly clean. Make sure that both the sides are thoroughly clean guys. Use a cloth to remove the entire dirt from both sides of the chain, and also try to clean wherever the solvents or the chain cleaner product has been applied. Clean the entire surface of the bike to avoid the damage of paint. And also guys, time to use the chain lube. Today I'm not going to use any chain lube spray. Today I'm going to use a paste foam. Guys, this is the Motul chain paste, which is available on the market or also on Amazon. It's very easy to apply the chain paste, and it's just like painting guys. Just try to brush gently guys, and try to get it on every surface of the chain. As you can see, it is rather having a white color look, and it looks just like when you get a new chain from the stores. And try to apply it on all the sides. Try to apply a gentle coat guys, and also inside of the chain also. And also guys, we are finished the chain loop process, and we are going to reinstall the inner chain sprocket cover, the chain covers which is on the SWINGARM, and also guys our back mud flap and entire upper chain cover also we are going to reinstall. As we are going to reinstall the mud flap we are going to first put it back to the position which it came. That is where we have taken out the slider mechanism. Then on the left side we are going to tighten the rubber protection as well as the upper chain cover and also the mud flap, which is all-in-one system. We are going to tighten it, and guys, we are going to tighten the right side of it. Before that we have to reinstall the lock mechanism for the brake fluid line, and also guys, we are going to tighten the last of the bolt which is on the right side. That's all guys, we are finally going to reinstall the seat cover and also the left side body panel and also the pillion seat. And that's all guys, we have come to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and the chain is running very smoothly without any noise at all. If you want, you can also tighten it. Okay guys, like, share and subscribe. See you again.